Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most cool, versatile, and interesting Excel tools out there. Today, for our European friends, I want to go over a very recent tool that was requested from us, which is a tool, an Excel tool that gives us the ability to break down driving distances by countries in Excel, and this is specifically for European countries. And let me kind of show you how it works. For all of you who are not familiar with my tools, I've been developing Excel tools mostly in the logistics world for the last 15, 16 years, and probably built over 100 tools during this time. Anything that you can think of, we've kind of built it in the past, right? So what this specific tool is, again, it allows us to break down the driving distances by country. So in this case, we have some European addresses, in this case is cities. Because this uses Google Maps API, we can have cities, we can have postal codes, we can have full addresses. And what we're trying to figure out is the driving distance and the driving distance by country driven for each one of these trips. The way we do that, we paste those trips and then click on calculate. And the tool will automatically calculate the total driving distance by in kilometers and driving time. Now, if I was to go from Tirana to Rome, I can click on this specific cell here, and it'll tell me that for this trip, it took me 268 kilometers roughly that I drove in Albania, and then 446 to Italy. If I was to go a little bit different, maybe from Kiev to Lisboa, then obviously I have to go through a few different countries. I have to go through Ukraine. That's the kilometers driven in Ukraine. This is the amount of kilometers in Poland, Germany, Belgium, France, Spain, and then Portugal. So I can do that for each one of these trips, and it'll break down those trips for me by country. And really should be as simple as that. Extremely useful tools. Can be used in different things for fuel and for for different regulatory purposes that sometimes a lot of the drivers need to know. And so this is a great tool that will give you those results. To download the tool, just click on the link in the description, and you should be able to download that. You'll also need a Google Maps API key. I do have a link into another video, which is a video for another day, of how to get that Google Maps API key. Feel free to reach out. My phone number and my email are in the description of this video. And again, let me know, shoot me an email, give me a call. I'd be more than happy to chat with you and discuss the tool or any other needs you might have. Thank you so much. Until next time.